What's up YouTube? It's Yadi Creations here, and in tonight's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your background so that you look like this. First things first, what you want to do is open up your internet browser, right? This is the app you want to type in. Scroll up to the top for you. Type this in on Google or Microsoft Edge, whatever it is you use. NVIDIA Broadcast app. This is the application here that's going to remove your background, blur your background, or even change your background. I have a PC that has the graphics card of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. So this will work for NVIDIA graphics cards and whatever else. As you can see, the system requirements is right here. So if you meet these requirements, you're good to go. All right. You have that app downloaded. Great, cool. Now what you want to do is you want to open it. Okay. This is what the app looks like when you open it. Initially, you may be brought to the audio tab. Sometimes it does that for me. If you are brought to the audio tab, don't worry about it. Just simply go down to the video tab, and this is what you'll need to see. Virtual background. Virtual background gives you the ability to blur, remove, or replace your background, as I stated earlier. You turn this on, boom, background is blurred, as you can see here. You go to replace background, they have a little stock image here of what you can expect, or you can add your own by hitting this plus sign and submitting your own image, and you can have whatever background you choose. Or you hit the remove, which is what you are here for. And this is how you end up looking like this right here. You see me in the corner, I'm gonna make myself a little bigger, like that, boom. All right. So now you see there's nothing behind me but my PC, but my monitor background. If you want to tweak some things, what you can do is go down to auto reframe, and your camera will instantly like bring you in a little bit closer to the frame and have you zoomed in and centered as it says here. While you move, you're going to be zoomed in and centered, but you'll still be right in frame with the camera. You do video noise removal, so it'll just smoothen out your skin a little bit more. If it's too noisy, you can have that feature on as well. If you want to do eye contact, so what's that one? Oh, you see what it's doing with my eyes? Oh, it's intentionally making me look at the camera. I don't really like that one too much. That one looks a little crazy. Like it has you just like looking at the camera. Like that's crazy. Redirects your gaze toward the camera. I'm not gonna ever use that. That one looks a little crazy. And you can do vignette, which darkens the corner of your frame, which looks like this. This is not too flattering at all. I do not like this, but to each his own, right? Or you can do virtual key light. Now, look a little crazy, but it's okay. Virtual key light relights you as if you had a virtual key light relights you as if you had a virtual key light. Not recommended to use with games or GPU intensive apps. So with turning this on, it just like it seems as though it kind of like I don't really think it's okay. It's adding a little bit more light, but it's also removing the background a little bit more. As you see, with it off, it has my chair. With it on, you can't really see my chair, but you can see a little bit of my light right here. So it just basically, removes extra things in the background and places a little bit of a key light on you, so you have something that's like shining on you directly if you don't have like a bright light or anything, but I do, so it's adding to it. Anyway, yeah, so that's pretty much how you would go about removing your background. As you can see, we're gonna test it out here. I'm just gonna open up Microsoft. Boom. Ew, let me put that key light back on so you guys can really get that clean look, because that's what I had before. All right, yeah. You can resize or whatever you want to do in the software that you use to record yourself. And yeah, that's pretty much it, Like that's pretty much it. It's like not too much to it. Just remove your background, simple as that. Blur your background if you want. You don't even gotta remove it. Replace your background, whatever it is you want to do. Or even simply turn it off. And now you just got plain background. That is what it is. Is what it is. All right, so I'm gonna turn it on and then leave it like that. But this has been a video on how to remove your background using NVIDIA Broadcast app. Hope you like what you've seen today. If you would like to see more, please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you all next week, Thursday. Peace.